1 p.m. to 5 p.m. on 1050 a.m. Studio line 713-984-1013. Listen online at namasteradiohouston.com. Download the app, available on your Android and iPhone. Modern Indian Radio. What's that sound?
Oh no, it's my electricity bill. डर लगता है इसको खोलते हुए यार.
Me too.
You too?
Na you too, na me too. It's E2.
ये E2 क्या है?
E2 Power is your solution. They can help you to save money by finding the lowest energy rates, the best contract terms, and the right product.
Make E2 Power your trusted resource and power your business or home. E2 Power matches the best electricity plans at the best available rates.
E2 Power ensures they deliver competitive prices and full support at all stages of the process. Even if you need to transition to another supplier, don't worry. E2 Power can help you make that transition smoothly.
अरे वाह, पैसे भी बचाओ और टाइम भी बचाओ.
Call today E2 Power at 832-390-2291. That's 832-390-2291 or visit e2powerhub.com.
Allings would like to thank you for your support during the COVID-19 lockdown and express our highest gratitude to medical professionals and first responders who fight on to keep us safe. Allings is now open for safe distance dining with tables set at least 6 feet apart, following all guidelines and taking precautions for the safety of our guests and staff. See you at Allings for a delightful dining experience. Halal menu available. Visit us at allingschinese.com.
Tired of those law firms you can never reach? Try Donley, Ashby & Wynn Law Firm.
Donley, Ashby and Wynn Law Firm in Houston is dedicated to providing quality immigration advice and legal counsel to domestic and international companies and individuals. They will also help with deportations, citizenship and naturalization filings, also personal injuries and car accident. They are committed to their clients with prompt turnaround time. Over 30 years of immigration experience. Call attorney Ann Wynn today at 832-646-8448. Donley, Ashby and Wynn Law Firm. 832-646-8448.
Astro Printing has been serving the printing needs of Houston since 1980. We offer the following services: full color digital printing, business cards, wedding cards, labels, business catalogs, letterheads, full color booklets, posters, and for your added convenience, we also offer pickup and delivery services conveniently located at 10802 Roe Arc Road, close to 59 South and Sam Houston Tollway South. Call 281-568-1010. That's 281-568-1010 or visit us at www.astroprintinghouston.com.
Classy Diva Salon and Spa are excited to be back. The temporary salon hours are for the weekend only, 12 to 5 p.m. and during weekdays it's strictly by appointments. Please text 856-693-8970 for personal appointments. Please only text. The number again is 856-693-8970. Classy Divas Salon and Spa.
Naren's Bombay Brasserie, Houston's best restaurant for traditional Indian cuisine. Tandoori specials, poultry, vegetarian items, lamb, seafood, salads, desserts, and much more.
Naren's Bombay Brasserie is now open for dine-in with distancing measures for everyone to stay safe. Lunch buffet hours Monday through Friday, 11 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. Saturday and Sunday, 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. Dinner hours 5:30 p.m. to 10 p.m. 7 days a week. Delivery and to-go options still available. Call Naren's Bombay Brasserie at 713-622-2005. That's 713-622-2005. Located at 3005 West Loop South. Like Naren's Bombay Brasserie on Facebook.
कहते हैं अगर किसी चीज को दिल से चाहो तो पूरी कायनात उसे तुमसे मिलाने की कोशिश में लग जाती है.
This is Namaste Radio.
This is Namaste Radio. Welcome back. आप सभी का थर्ड आवर ऑफ द शो May 24th 2020 ईद का आज बहुत ही शुभ दिन है. एंड एक और बहुत अच्छी बात ये हुई है कि वी आर हैप्पी टू बी बैक इन द स्टूडियो आफ्टर 2.5 months. लेकिन हमने शो करना छोड़ा नहीं था. वी वर डूइंग इट वर्चुअली. सो थैंक्स टू द टेक्नोलॉजी दैट वी वर एबल टू कंटिन्यू द शो जिस तरीके से वो कंटिन्यू होना चाहिए था. मूविंग फॉरवर्ड हम बात करेंगे कुछ वर्ल्ड न्यूज़, लोकल न्यूज़ के बारे में. लेकिन उससे पहले एक न्यूज़पेपर के बारे में बात करेंगे जो हर यहाँ पे पिछले 25 ईयर्स से लोकल और वर्ल्ड न्यूज़ लेकर आ रहा है. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट इंडिया हेरल्ड, अ न्यूज़पेपर ऑफ रिकॉर्ड फॉर द इंडियन अमेरिकन कम्युनिटी, प्रोवाइडिंग रिलायबल, रेलेवेंट एंड स्टिमुलेटिंग कवरेज ऑफ करंट टॉपिक्स for the last 25 years, like I mentioned. To subscribe to their print edition or digital edition, visit india-herald.com or just follow them on Facebook for all the news updates, the e-newspaper, and you will have all the details with you.
Right. So what is new on the Samachar?
समाचार में ये है कि कुछ थोड़ी दुखद समाचार है. दो वैसे तो बहुत सारी समाचार हैं, लेकिन ये दो दुखद समाचार हुई अभी एक इंडिया में और एक पाकिस्तान में. इंडिया में लाइक वी ऑल नो, वैसे तो कोविड-19 से बड़ी दुखद समाचार इस दुनिया में फ़िलहाल चल नहीं रही, बट वी ऑल आर फाइटिंग इट प्रीटी वेल नाउ. वी आर ट्राइंग टू अडेप्ट टू इट. बट अदर देन दैट जो दूसरा एक चीज़ जो दूसरी दुखद समाचार या दुखद घटना, राइट सोशल घटना जो इंडिया ने फेस करी फिलहाल वाज द साइक्लोन. साइक्लोन व्हाट? Amphan, I think so. Amphan, I don't know.
AMPHAN, Amphan, yes. Right?
But it caused, it estimated damage हुआ है 13.2 billion का.
That's right. The most costliest.
And thousands of people were left homeless. And the biggest issue was, government आके जब इन्हें take care भी कर रही है, even if they are being put in, camps, like, कैसे लोग social distancing करें. सो कोविड-19 के साथ ये सब बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम हो गया है. वेस्ट बंगाल बॉर्डर अक्रॉस बांग्लादेश, सो in that area. So but the main thing to note was $13.2 billion के करीब डैमेज हुआ है in West Bengal alone. Wow. So it's as it is, things were not easy and this happened. The other news that happened, and again very sad, just before Eid was Pakistan plane crash. And ये हुआ from Airbus A320. They were carrying 91 passengers, 8 crew. They were all traveling, I think, for the Eid to celebrate Eid on Sunday. Yes, and it was from Lahore to Karachi. And ये plane, कराची के residential area में, I think it was like few like थोड़ा ही दूर था, right?
Yeah, so they had a failed attempt. जो pilot, I think there was a third attempt to land, or third or fourth, something like that.
Yeah.
But he cited engine failure basically.
Yeah, engine failure,
cause of it.
And then I think he was just a few very close to the runway, right?
Yes.
But the whole thing is, I don't know why did he decide to take a turnaround the first time, when he cancelled his landing up in kya pata, who knows, we don't know the details yet. There is on Times of India there is a video circulating where they show actually the plane crashing.
Yes,
I sent it to Vanchika.
Because of the technology now, everybody has
Somebody
cameras, I think so.
Was it CCTV? I saw the CCTV.
Kind
it
of,
might be CC or it might be phone, so they show the plane gliding, bam.
And I think 2 लोग बचे हैं and 97 deaths have been confirmed.
उसमें से एक बैंक ऑफ पंजाब का CEO बच गया.
Passenger Mohammed Zubair, yes, he survived, but 97 लोगों की death हो गई है. So yeah, these were the two really sad news from India. But we'll get into a song, and then we'll get into an interview with someone very special. I've known this guy for a long time.
Oh yeah. Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
I like how I called him a guy. He's going to be so happy about it.
I recently met this person.
Yes.
In my life.
So we will talk to him soon.
Right here. Keep it locked here. We'll play this song for Parishwal's birthday from the movie Oh My God.
अटके मटके झटके मारे हैं तू आज शोला तो हम भी फुवारे हैं तू आसमां पे है तो चांद तारे हैं हम हाय अटके मटके झटके मारे हैं तू आज शोला तो हम भी फुवारे हैं तू आसमां पे है तो चांद तारे हैं हम चाहे तुम निकले या दम है कसम तेरी कसम तुझे आज छोड़ेंगे ना हम सतरंगी तेरा बड़ा चर्चा तेरा किस्सा अतरंगी चाहे दम निकले ये दम है कसम तेरी कसम तुझे आज छोड़ेंगे ना हम
Go Govinda.
I love the rhythm to this song.
Yeah,
Makes you want to get up and dance.
I think Prabhu Deva and Sonakshi Sinha did justice to this song. Like I thought she did
They
good.
were?
Yeah.
Oh.
She there was a special appearance because
Okay,
I think the
okay.
god was played by
Akshay
Kumar and the person is Paresh Rawal, like the human part. Okay, yeah.
Human part, yeah.
Okay, so
yes.
थोड़ी local news के बारे में all of us know Judge KP George and you know तालियां उनके लिए because we want to you know thank him for all that he's done during this time COVID-19 के काफ़ी अपडेट रखते हैं अपने सोशल मीडिया को भी so चाहे उनका फेसबुक हो या इंस्टा हो like he's very up with his social media so like you know keeping all the residents of Fort Bend updated because you know the CARES Act जिसके अंडर हम you know stimulus check ये सबको मिला. So Fort Bend County, he announced that Fort Bend County is proud to pass the following programs from the CARES Act with support from Fort Bend faith leaders.
Wow.
He said 22 million will go towards small business grant program in Fort Bend County.
Wow.
That's a good amount of money.
19.5
million towards rental assistance.
Wow.
And I'm talking only about Fort Bend County. 20 million for health and human service to test, trace and treat in the fight against COVID-19. Then 5 million to provide life-saving PPE to county residents. And 2 million for utility assistance to county residents. And of course, there are more details coming. So every time I usually get an update from Judge KP George, I like to share it with everybody on air. We've been doing that, you know, for even though we were doing the show remotely. So I saw this week and, you know, thank you so much for your hard work and for keeping everybody, you know, working hard for all of us, for all the Fort Bend County residents and for keeping, you know, us updated with all the information that is going on. तो ये थे फोर्ट बेंड काउंटी की तरफ से कुछ अपडेट्स. Then I have been, you know, looking at some unemployment rates. Which kind of, you know, when I read this, it kind of made me feel यार बहुत ज़्यादा नुकसान हो चुका है. But Texas का rate hits the worst on record in April. It was 12.8% unemployment rate in Texas in April. So I think it was one of the worst ones. It was the worst ones. So we were, you know, these kind of things, news make me very sad at times. But at the same time, the way everybody is being helped, TWC has been helping everybody. So there is some positivity, but a lot of people are still not being helped. A lot of small business have suffered. A lot of people have lost their jobs. Lekin we just all have to be positive, stay strong and fight this as much as possible. Don't give up, people.
Don't give up. Yes.
So, do we have the special person
Yes, we do.
online? We
Yes,
do.
we do.
So, moving forward, like I said, I have known this person for a very long time. Had the honor to know this person for a very long time. But before I introduce him, let me introduce the organization that he, gives his, I think, 100%.
Yeah.
पूरा अपने दिलो जान से काम करते हैं ये इसके लिए एंड ये ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एज अ होल फॉर द कम्युनिटी आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट इंडिया हाउस ह्यूस्टन इंडिया हाउस ह्यूस्टन एक नॉन प्रॉफिट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है कम्युनिटी सेंटर है जो सारे नॉट ओनली इंडियंस के लिए बट पूरी कम्युनिटी एज अ होल के लिए काम करती है प्रोग्राम्स करते हैं ये लोग एंड इवन ड्यूरिंग आफ्टर अ लॉट ऑफ डिफिकल्टीज दे हैव बीन एबल टू गेट दीज प्रोग्राम्स आउट टू द पीपल keep these community service going on for the people. But of course, more than me, we will talk to Colonel Vipin Kumar. That's why I've been saying I know him for a long time. Yes, proud to be his daughter. So we will be talking to the executive director of India House, Colonel Vipin Kumar, to know more details about how is India House doing right now. Welcome, Dad. Are you there?
Yes, but I'm here. And
Welcome.
namaste to
Namaste.
Three of you.
Hi, Dad. Namaste.
Namaste.
Deep and Sushil, and also to all your listeners.
नमस्ते
नमस्ते।
आपको ईद मुबारक डैड
आपको सबको भी बहुत बहुत मुबारक और सारे मेरे फ्रेंड्स को पूरे वर्ल्ड में जो भी हैं ऑल ओवर ईद मुबारक.
यस एंड थैंक यू आज आपने टाइम निकाला और आप ऑन एयर आए आप हमेशा एवरीबडी इन द कम्युनिटी इज सो प्राउड ऑफ द वर्क दैट यू हैव बीन डूइंग एंड इंडिया हाउस हैज बीन डूइंग प्लीज टेल अस अबाउट इंडिया हाउस एंड हाउ इट वाज अफेक्टेड ड्यूरिंग दिस टाइम.
Okay, so as you know, India House is a non-profit organization, 501c3. It's actually a collective dream of about 150,000 Indo-American living in the greater Houston area. And the mission is to unite culture, create bridges, and serve the community, which is the main function. Serve the community by bringing education, resources, and to the community, and bring the Indian culture also to the Houstonians. So as you know, it's located in about 9 acres land in southwest Houston at 8888 West Belfort. And it is a beautiful building. You have been frequenting that almost every day because you are part of India House, a 30,000 square beautiful building. And that's why we call it your house, my house, our house. So due to COVID-19, we had to take a very hard decision to temporarily close it. But our Serene Harris Health Clinic, which is located within the India House, it remained open and continued serving the patients. It was also designated by the Harris County as one of the screening center for COVID-19.
Okay, wonderful. During this time, it was not that aapne bas band kiya or we are not hearing anything about India House. We have been seeing that India House has been doing so many things for the community even after the even after COVID-19. So please tell us what have you been doing, some of the things you were able to achieve even after the COVID-19 issue.
Okay. So while we are working from home, we decided to keep the members of our community mentally and physically fit by offering various free 1-hour online classes via Zoom. So I would like to take this opportunity to also thank our volunteer instructors who have come forward to host these valuable classes. And most of our weekday classes, Monday to Friday, was from 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. noon. And these are also live webcasted via Facebook, and you have been instrumental in making that possible. And recordings are also available on our Facebook page. And all details of all our programs are updated day to day on our website. I'll list out these online classes which we are hosting.
Sure.
If it is okay with you.
Sure, absolutely.
So Monday we run 11 to 12, as I mentioned, Zumba class, and Liz Navarro is the volunteer who does it. Tuesday, 1 hour yoga class again at 11 by Akshata Malusre. Wednesday, we have Zumba by Liz Navarro and immigration consultation by Willie Nanayakara, an associate attorney law firm, and this is by appointment. On Thursdays, again, we have yoga at 11 by Akshata Malusre. Friday, we bring 3 classes, 1 hour classes for everyone. First is our meditation class at 8 a.m. early morning. This is coming direct from Dr. Preeti Mandevewala straight from India. And then line dance class, or I can call it ballroom dance class by Kundi Ketkar at 11 a.m. And in the evening, we conduct a Bollywood fitness class by Deepti Patel. Likewise, Saturday is pretty much alive. 9:30 to 10:30, 1 hour yoga class by Srinivas Suraparaju. 10:45 to 11:45, we have Hindi class, and it's taken by Neera.
Yay!
It's your mom. And from 12 to 1, it's a senior technology class. By very young 3 volunteers of ours, Manav, Manasi, and Amanya Rungta.
Wonderful.
In addition, we have started a telehealth clinic every Saturday where Dr. Mathur and Dr. Manish Rungta have been giving telephonic consultations to the patients from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. This is also by appointment.
Okay. And this was specially, like, I remember when we were talking, you said that a lot of parents were, they're stuck here because they were not able to travel back home to India because of COVID-19, and then they were running out of their medications because they were here for only like 4 months or 2 months or whatever time period. So this was like, after you got that demand, so many people wanted this help, and India House and Dr. Mathur and Dr. Rungta came forward to help all those people, right?
Yeah, we got we got into conversation, or I would say a message from the Consulate General, because everybody, these parents and relatives who had come from India and were stuck here, were short of their prescriptions, and they didn't have the insurance. So when we heard all about this, we immediately started this telehealth clinic. And it's been doing it's been busy every Saturday. Yesterday also we had patients till 1 p.m.
I see.
Dr. Matsu was talking to them and giving consultation. We also organized a webinar, you are aware of it, on COVID-19 on May 5th, where very expert panelists, Dr. Vikas Yogi, Dr. Sanjay Devrajan, these are the specialists of the field, and they discuss the current scenario and trends in diagnosis and treatment of the virus. So this webinar was moderated by none other than Dr. Manish Rungta and was very well attended. And many questions of the listeners were answered, and we got a very positive feedback. And the video recording of this is available on YouTube as well as on our website.
Wonderful.
In addition, to express our gratefulness to the frontline workers like doctors, nurses, and support staff of various hospitals, India House really was privileged to have served lunch to the healthcare professional and their staff. So on 4th of May, we distributed lunch. We provided lunch to Houston Methodist Hospital's dialysis unit in medical center. And 6th of May at HCA Houston's Healthcare Clear Lake Hospital, we provided 100 boxes of lunch. And I would like to thank Ravi Rungta for sponsoring these lunches, and of course, Aling's Chinese Bistro for catering.
Yay!
And part is sponsoring the
Aling's.
food for this noble cause. And this drive was initiated by our president, Dr. Manish Rungta, but I won't forget to mention that Vanchika, you and Sushil, both of you, I really appreciate two of you, not only for covering the event live via Namaste Radio channel, but also mainly for volunteering the food delivery. Good job, kiddos. Very well done. You two deserve appreciation.
Thank you.
Yeah, because our doctors are the real heroes. In spite of themselves being at a very high risk,
Yes.
they were still working for the safety and well-being of others. It's wonderful. And we also distributed lunch at Baylor St. Luke Hospital this last Friday, May 22nd. Lunch as well as dinner. And we are really thankful to our sponsor, Mrs. Saroj Rungta. She's one of our board of directors and also happens to be mother of our president, Dr. Manish Rungta. And also, grateful to them, but also sincere thanks to Aling Chinese Bistro for partly sponsoring this and for catering and delivering this delicious food. They also served lunch to the staff of Stafford Dialysis clinic on the same day, which was sponsored and catered by Aling's Chinese Bistro.
Wonderful, wonderful. Thank you so much for everything that India House, you and everybody at India House has been doing even after the COVID-19 crisis. One thing I know, Ben, before you go, I know India House, is a non-profit, and definitely sponsorship, funds are something that is always welcome. And, because of this, your banquet halls have been closed down. There's no rental income. So the gala was cancelled at that time in March. So how is it that if someone who's listening, jisko lagta hai ki, okay, I really want to contribute towards India House, how can they go donate or sponsor a program to India House? Can you give me a number or a website where they can do that?
Yes. So, firstly, thank you so much. It's to run an organization like this and also to maintain this building of 30,000 square foot, beautiful building. It's really, it's very taxing. The operating expenses are pretty high. And our income, as you mentioned, has become not only zero, but came to negative because of the refunds we had to make for the events we had booked for. Our source of income is nothing but the events and our generous trustees, the board of directors, and the executive committee members, council members, and other volunteers and sponsors. So anyone who wants to support, and many are supporting, even for online classes, we got many donations, but they can go to our website, www.indiahouseinc.org, and right on the main page, they will find a page called Donation on the home page.
Okay.
So they can directly donate there via credit card, or they can send a check to India House at 8888 West Belford, or they can call at 713-929-1900 and also make the donation by credit card, and our staff will be willing to take it. And of course, our staff, I definitely want to thank for bringing, remaining alive even after the closure. Our wonderful staff, which you are part of that, Vanshika. Thank you so much. And of course, Bhumi Parmar and Pallavi Surana and Vincent. I'm really grateful. You people have done a wonderful job. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you for taking the time out and coming and talking with us and sharing about India House today. Thank you so much.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you, Colonel Saab.
So much. And keep doing what you are doing. You do the best.
Thank you.
Good wishes.
Thank you for all your support and love always. Thank you.
Thank you, and stay safe.
You too. Thanks. So that was Colonel Vipin Kumar from India House Houston, and like he said, you can visit their website at indiahouseinc.org and go and donate and support the organization. This is the time India House needs you all to come forward and support for it to continue doing all that they've been doing for all these years, or just reach Colonel Vipin Kumar at 713-929-1900.
Namaste Radio on 1050 AM. Modern Indian Radio. Dr. Namrata Sharma Goyal at Kidney Health Center has over 15 years expertise in blood pressure control, kidney stone and kidney transplant management, hemo and peritoneal dialysis, specializing in chronic kidney disease from diabetes, high blood pressure, and autoimmune diseases. They promote the use of advanced technology in their business practice and treat their patients with a customized approach. All insurances, Medicare and Medicaid accepted. They have 3 convenient locations for you in Sugar Land, Medical Center, and West Houston area. For Dr. Namrata Sharma Goyal, board certified in nephrology, visit their website at bolzenhealth.com or call 713-520-6875 for appointments. That's 713-520-6875.
Allings would like to thank you for your support during the COVID-19 lockdown and express our highest gratitude to medical professionals and first responders who fight on to keep us safe. Allings is now open for safe distance dining with tables set at least 6 feet apart, following all guidelines and taking precautions for the safety of our guests and staff. See you at Allings for a delightful dining experience. Halal menu available. Visit us at allingschinese.com.
What's that sound?
Oh no, it's my electricity bill. डर लगता है इसको खोलते हुए यार.
Me too.
You too?
Na you too, na me too. It's E2.
ये E2 क्या है?
E2 Power is your solution. They can help you to save money by finding the lowest energy rates, the best contract terms, and the right product.
Make E2 Power your trusted resource and power your business or home. E2 Power matches the best electricity plans at the best available rates.
E2 Power ensures they deliver competitive prices and full support at all stages of the process. Even if you need to transition to another supplier, don't worry. E2 Power can help you make that transition smoothly.
अरे वाह, पैसे भी बचाओ और टाइम भी बचाओ.
Call today E2 Power at 832-390-2291. That's 832-390-2291 or visit e2powerhub.com.
कहते हैं अगर किसी चीज को दिल से चाहो तो पूरी कायनात उसे तुमसे मिलाने की कोशिश में लग जाती है.
This is Namaste Radio.
जी हाँ, जिसने भी कहा है सही कहा है. अगर किसी चीज़ को दिल से चाहो, उतनी शिद्दत से चाहो, तो पूरी कायनात उसको फ्रूटफुल करने के लिए या बीइंग मिलाने के लिए लग जाती है. तो अगर आप वाकई में चाहते हैं कि ये जो SARS-CoV-2 वायरस है वो चला जाए, तो पूरी दिल से और शिद्दत से चाहो, इसे सब मिल के चाहो, कलेक्टिवली कॉन्शियसली चाहो, तो ये निकल जाएगा. और यही टाइम है एक दूसरे के काम आओ, हेल्प करो एक दूसरे को, जैसे हमारे प्रदीप अंकल करते हैं. जो प्रदीप सोलन है पीसी, ही हेल्प्स अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल इन द कम्युनिटी बिकॉज ही इज अ सर्टिफाइड public accountant with over 25 years of experience. In fact, he recently helped a lot of people understand the new CARES Act that came into law due to COVID-19, PPP के बारे में, and then what is it called? EIDL जो आया था, and then how to get your stimulus money and all that stuff. So he's an expert because he's a CPA, he knows it, so he helped a lot of people gain it. अगर आपको भी कुछ information चाहिए तो give him a call today. His number is 281-580-8700. That's Pradeep Sulan PC, 281-580-8700. आगे बढ़ते हैं, बात करते हैं. हमेशा आपके लिए कुछ ना कुछ लेके आते हैं ये आवर में, जहाँ पे हम बात करते हैं थिंग्स टू डू. पास्ट में हमने बहुत सारी चीज़ों के बारे में बात की है. इस बार हम कोविड के बारे में बात नहीं करेंगे बिकॉज वो हम कर चुके हैं. सिंस थिंग्स हैव स्टार्टेड ओपनिंग अप इन ह्यूस्टन ऑलरेडी, हम आपके लिए लेके आए हैं थिंग्स टू डू इन ह्यूस्टन दिस समर. बट यस, सम थिंग्स आर ऑन दिस लिस्ट विच आर नॉट एडवाइजेबल येट एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम. बट लेकिन जैसे आगे चीज़ें और इम्प्रूव होंगी आप वो कर पाएंगे. तो स्टार्ट करते हैं. पहला, नंबर 1 इज कैच अ फ्री शो एट मिलर आउटडोर थिएटर. I know probably Miller Outdoor Theatre is not open. There are no more performances going on. But once the theatre opens back up, and I'm pretty sure it's going to be open up with social distancing, that's a beautiful place. आप Sunday जा सकते हैं with your family, like a picnic environment. Take your stuff with you. Keep a social distance and enjoy the free performance happening at Miller Outdoor Theatre. I wait for those during summers actually.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, me
Miller
too.
Outdoor, yeah.
So वो एक है. Second, you can have a picnic at the waterfall park. You know, use what now? Park. Oasis बोलते हैं ना उसको, urban oasis. वो दिलबर.
Waterwall.
Waterwall.
हाँ.
Water, yeah.
What did I say?
Yeah, you said it.
Waterwall. Yeah.
हाँ, वही तो काम है ना. हाँ. तो you can take your stuff and you can have a picnic over there. कोई पैसे नहीं लगते बॉस ये जगह हो गए. You can just go and have fun.
Mm-hmm.
Number 3, you can even rent a pedal boat on McGowan Lake.
मेरे पास एक और आइडिया भी है. अगर
कहाँ
वाटरफॉल
है?
जा ही रहे पिकनिक करने तो E2 पावर के ऑफिस भी चले ही जाओ. सामने विलियम्स टावर में ही तो है उनकी बिल्डिंग.
हाँ, कौन से माले पे?
वो माला नहीं पता, वो अभी उनके सीईओ को कॉल करना पड़ेगा, प्रतीक साहब को, लेकिन आप जरूर जा सकते हैं. यस, दैट वाज उनका वाटर वॉल उनके बिल्कुल सामने ही.
जी हाँ, वाटर वॉल सामने ही है. और वाटर वॉल में और एक चीज है, इट्स अ लैंडमार्क बिकॉज इट्स आल्सो नोन फॉर फोटो ऑप्स, राइट? लॉट ऑफ पीपल गो प्रपोजल करते हैं, दे डू फोटो शूट्स ओवर देयर, सो व्हाई नॉट?
या वी कैन आल्सो डू फोटो शूट देयर.
एब्सोल्युटली, आप वो भी कर सकते हैं. Number 4, rent a pedal boat on McGowan Lake.
Oh, that will be nice. I think they are allowing all of that right now.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So I think they should be. Social distancing तो boat पे वैसे भी रहती है, so it's the perfect time for daytime activity actually, or for a group of friends.
Yeah.
अब आप मिल भी सकते हैं. I think 6, right? Not more than that. Is it 6?
Yeah, something like that. Yeah,
6, right? So, but boat में is it's you can only go up to 4 people to ride a single boat at a time.
Oh, they decreased it to 2, so 6 to 4.
6 to 4. No, but boat में you can only go 4 people. ना उससे boat accommodate नहीं कर पाएगी.
Oh, the pedal boat is
Pedal
what
boat,
he's talking
4
about.
people, yeah, at a time. So and plus on top of that, they are shaded to keep you covered from the sun as well.
Okay.
ऊपर से it will be an exercise for you while you're enjoying that activity because it's a bit of a workout. to
But
pedal
I
the
am
boat.
going to just come and sit. I can't pedal for that long.
कोई बात नहीं, उसके बाजू में there are some great restaurants in the area that you can
तुम और संदीप pedaling करना,
yeah.
मैं बैठ के enjoy
that you
करूँ.
can recover afterwards. All those great restaurants and bars, of
Nice.
course, with those 50% capacity and social distancing.
Nice.
You know, but I want to say hats off to you both कि तुम दोनों 2.5 महीने बार्स नहीं गए, मतलब जेन्युइनली बार्स नहीं.
Genuine.
टोटल वाइन एंड मोर तो गए ना.
टोटल वाइन एंड मोर में बार नहीं है यार.
क्या करते हैं भैया? We could have been in jail for that. I think federal offense होता है because बाहर जाना था तो बाहर तोड़ के जाना पड़ता because bar were closed.
Yeah.
The only thing close to a bar I did a virtual set at Club Z.
Club Z, yes.
But that was virtual.
But then it was not like a bar
Bar,
or
bar.
people
But
were
he had
not
drinks ना
there.
उधर. क्लब ही तो था उसके लिए.
यार.
Dude, that's the best part. पूरा क्लब तुम्हारे लिए खाली पड़ा है.
उसके लिए तो वैसे भी VIP ट्रीटमेंट होता है.
Exactly. Yeah. Anyway.
हाँ, ये बात भी है. एक सॉन्ग ब्रेक लेते हैं, उसके बाद आगे आपको बता के जाते हैं कि आगे और क्या चीजें कर सकते हैं आप ह्यूस्टन में.
I wonder how many of these happened during hangovers during COVID.
जाने कब होठों पे दिल ने रख दी दिल की बातें, समझा नहीं ये दिल इसको हम तो रहे समझाते. जाने कब होठों पे दिल ने रख दी दिल की बातें, समझा नहीं ये दिल इसको हम तो रहे समझाते. मैंने देखा तुझे भुला के, हर एक तरकीब लगा के, हर नुस्खे को आजमा के, पर दिल से कभी न उतरे. हैंगओवर तेरी यादों का, हैंगओवर तेरी बातों का, हैंगओवर तेरी यादों का, हैंगओवर तेरी बातों का.
जाने कब होठों पे दिल ने रख दे दिल की बातें, समझा नहीं ये दिल इसको हम तो रहे समझाते. जाने कब होठों पे दिल ने रख दी दिल की बातें, समझा नहीं ये दिल इसको हम तो रहे समझाते. मैंने देखा तुझे भुला के, हर एक तरकीब लगा के, हर नुस्खे को आजमा के, पर दिल से कभी न उतरे. हैंगओवर तेरी यादों का, हैंगओवर तेरी बातों का, हैंगओवर तेरी यादों का, हैंगओवर तेरी बातों का.
Back here on Namaste Radio right now, Sushil talking to us about some things now to do with things opening up, and in this after this extension has kind of expired, but still safety measures should still be in full effect. But this segment here is brought to you by Yuva Bollywood Dance and Fitness. Dance like a star with Yuva. Call them today at 281-770-6287. That's 281-770-6287. Visit their website, yuvadance.com. They are also doing online classes via Zoom and other platforms. 281-770-6287 or yuvadance.com.
That's right. हम हमसे बात कर रहे थे things that you can do around in Houston during this summer. Some of the things you might not be able to do it, but I'm pretty sure down the line you will be able to do them, fully enjoy it, but do them responsibly for your safety and for the other safety around you. So we can keep or flatten the curve, like they say. Right?
Yeah.
So हमने बात की चीज़ों की. Number one, you can always catch a free show at Miller Outdoor Theatre. I'm pretty sure it's not open yet, but once it is, you can always enjoy a free show with your family on weekends at Miller Outdoor Theatre.
You can do a picnic, that is allowed in Miller Outdoor Theatre. जो ऊपर hill है ना, वहाँ पे आप पिकनिक जरूर already
तो
कर सकते
social distancing रखिएगा. Very important. अपनी chairs, कुर्सी, sandwiches, जो भी आपको लेके जाना लेके जाइए. Go with your family, have your kids. Make sure you make a parameter where you know people don't come close to you, and you can enjoy that. The other one was have a picnic at the Water Wall Park. You can have a picnic, or you can even go for photo ops over there. और बाजू में इसकी E2 Power की बिल्डिंग है. ऑफिस जाके विजिट कीजिए प्रतीक जैन जी को और कहिए आपको इलेक्ट्रिसिटी में पैसे बचाने हैं और आपको पैसे बचाओ के देंगे वो. You can rent a pedal boat on McGowan Lake. सबको पता है कि McGowan Lake कहाँ है? It's at Herman Park. Yep. To go, perfect time right now. You can do that. Social distancing. Social distancing. 4 जन एक boat में खाली. You can have fun. Next on the list is you can take advantage of discounted movies. I know Almo Draft House and AMC theaters are not yet open, but hopefully they will be open soon.
Also, they haven't opened yet.
No, they haven't opened
But
yet.
they're doing discounted online streaming through the AMC app or something.
Yeah, it's called AMC on Demand.
Oh.
AMC on demand.
Right. I think they're giving, especially for this Memorial Weekend, they're giving 50% off. I think.
Also, Sandeep, for you, because you live in the north, there is a drive-in theater.
I've heard of that. I just haven't. Where exactly? Oh, we'll look it up. Where is that? Google on
But लेकिन जब theaters खुल जाएंगे, normally ये deal, I know that this deal should be there. Hopefully, I don't know what happens after COVID, but last year थी a ticket to any movie at Almo Draft House was only $5 before 2 p.m. any day of the week.
Okay, yeah.
In summers, and Regal Cinemas and Studio Movie Grill, they all have summer specials because they know kids are off school. So सबके पास है. Even AMC हमारा जो खुद का है, Tuesdays they have $5 tickets. So summer, look for deals once the movie theaters do open. नहीं सबर है. AMC on demand जाइए, 50% off लीजिए this weekend. Watch a movie. Enjoy free outdoor movies. Spend the night under the stars watching Hollywood's greats at free outdoor movie screening. Discovery Green, Miller Outdoor Theatre are just some of the locations where screenings are held for hit movies you have for family and friends. You can go and you can enjoy those over there. Some screenings have even pre-show entertainment and snacks available for purchase. Many locations will allow you to bring a picnic. मतलब खुद का लेके जाइए जो हमने बात की.
Cool.
ठीक है. Visit the Wah Bridge.
Wah.
Yeah, Wah Drive Bridge, Bat Colony. तुम्हें पता था ये है ह्यूस्टन में Wah Bridge. So during summer months, some of the best to watch are the bats at Wah Drive Bridge. When they especially take a flight. So the bat colony usually they say emerges around sunset every day. So make sure you show up 30 minutes because पहले sunset के because bats का कोई time नहीं होता.
Is it the one in Austin?
ये Houston में है.
Because my dad took me one in Austin, like I think probably 15 years ago, and that actually happened at one particular time. There were like thousands of people there, and then एकदम से 10,000 bats निकलते हैं.
Did you count?
नहीं, उन्होंने बोला था.
No, I'm just asking.
उधर जो गाइड था उसका like in the flyer वो था 10,000 bats निकलते हैं.
अच्छा.
And literally for 5 minutes like zoom 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 zoom, and I was like कहीं तो बैटमैन आएगा, कहीं तो बैटमैन आएगा.
बस.
That was my joke, whatever.
तो आपको ऑस्टिन जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. Go visit Wah Drive Bridge. Make sure you show up 30 minutes before sunset. बैच का कोई टाइम नहीं, आपको बता के नहीं आएंगे कि भैया हम इतने बजे फ्लाइट भर रहे हैं. तो make sure you do that.
But अभी COVID-19 में वो आ रहे हैं बैट्स.
some लोग कहते हैं COVID-19 उन्हीं से आया. How much there is a truth to this? There's a lot. There's some documentaries which were deleted from YouTube, which basically say COVID-19 was created between America and China. They were
okay. I don't want my video to be deleted. Let's move forward.
So that may be for another day. This is a free country. That's the beauty about living in America. That's my amendment. That's my right.
जी हाँ.
That's I have freedom of speech. But yeah, okay. So go to visit Waugh Bridge. वाह WAUGH वाह ब्रिज.
वाह उधर जाके वाह वाह होती
वाह वाह कीजिए वाह वाह ब्रिज and take a
wow.
Sushila has been missing.
Yeah.
So आप जाके वाह ब्रिज देखिए. We'll be back. हम अपने गाना में जाते हैं. We'll come back.
Inside jokes.
Yeah. Yeah.
We'll come back right after this short song. आप जाके वाह ब्रिज enjoy कीजिए.
दीवाना तेरा दीवाना, मैं हूँ दीवाना तेरा दीवाना. मौसम है मस्ताना, उस पे दिल दीवाना दीवाना. मैं हूँ दीवाना तेरा दीवाना, मैं हूँ दीवाना तेरा. मौसम है मस्ताना, उस पे दिल दीवाना दीवाना तेरा. तुझे ही बुलाए ये मर्जी तेरी, तू आए ना आए. दीवाना मैं हूँ दीवाना तेरा दीवाना, मैं हूँ दीवाना तेरा. मौसम है मस्ताना, उस पे दिल दीवाना दीवाना तेरा. तुझे ही बुलाए ये मर्जी तेरी, तू आए ना आए.
One of Vanjia's favorites.
Absolutely यार. This is one of my favorite. सोनू निगम तो मेरा favorite है ही. And ये गाना सबसे favorite था मेरा सोनू निगम के दीवाना एल्बम का. But yes, this part of the show is brought to you by Boss & Hughes. Boss & Hughes has limited supply of safety products. KN95 mask, disposable 3-layer mask, disposable medical mask, custom mask, face shield, more sanitizers. They have that thing, you know, जिसमें अगर आप लिफ्ट में भी जा रहे हैं तो आपको कुछ छूने की या दरवाजे में की पैड के लिए कुछ छूने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. What is that called? I don't even know what's that called. But a lot of these safety products are there. Check them out on Facebook, Boss & Hughes. You can directly call their CEO, Gaurav, at 832-563-7012. That's 832-563-7012. जल्दी कॉल कीजिए because I know everybody need masks right now. Everybody needs gloves right now. They need sanitizers. हम यहाँ तक स्टूडियो में भी अपने साथ लेके घूम रहे हैं, मतलब चिपक गया सैनिटाइजर हमारे हाथों में. And if you don't want to call him, you can always email Gaurav at csr@bosshughes.com. तो अगर आपको बहुत ज़्यादा क्वांटिटी में नहीं चाहिए, लेकिन अगर आप एक 4 लोग के घर है, 2 लोगों का फैमिली है, मेरी हिंदी बहुत बुरी हो रही है, 2 लोगों की भी फैमिली है, तो आप इन्हें कॉल करके स्मॉल ऑर्डर भी दे सकते हैं. दे विल डिलीवर विद इन 7 days. सो अगेन 832-563-7012.
That's right, उनको कॉल कीजिए. सेफ्टी इज द नेसेसिटी नाउअडेज. बहुत ज़रूरी है वो. जैसे हमारे दोस्त हैं, उनके साथ भी ऐसी कोई वाकया हुआ था. आपके हमारे दोस्त, आपके दोस्त, सबके दोस्त, पप्पू वाले भाई हैं. तो उनको सवाल पूछा गया पप्पू को कि विल यू मैरी अगेन आफ्टर आई डाई. उनकी बीवी ने पूछा पप्पू की बीवी ने पूछा विल यू मैरी अगेन आफ्टर आई डाई, नहीं जो पप्पू ने अपनी बीवी से पूछा कि विल यू मैरी अगेन आफ्टर आई डाई, तो उसकी बीवी ने कहा नो आई विल लिव विद माय सिस्टर. तो हिज वाइफ गॉट क्यूरियस, उसने पप्पू से सवाल पूछा, बोले विल यू मैरी अगेन आफ्टर आई डाई, तो पप्पू ने प्यार से बोला नो आई विल आल्सो लिव विद योर सिस्टर.
Disgusting.
तो एकता में बड़ा बल है. हम बात करते थिंग्स टू डू इन द ह्यूस्टन एरिया राइट नाउ स्पेशली दिस समर. The next on the list is watch the sunset at Sky Space. Yeah, it's a well-known fact that Texas summer sunsets are one of the most beautiful sights to see during summertime, of course. It is, right?
Yeah, it is definitely.
Exactly. And they become a true work of art when they're viewed at James Turrell's Twilight Symphony Sky Space.
Twilight.
ये उधर एडवर्ड आता है.
It's at Rice University. एडवर्ड नहीं पता मुझे. ये राइस यूनिवर्सिटी में है. Twilight
That's
Symphony.
Robert Pattinson, who played the vampire in
Yeah.
Twilight.
Anyways.
So reservations are of course required for sunset light sequences. And I've heard the spots go very quickly. So make sure that you book your spot well in advance. नहीं पता कहाँ है तो Google कीजिए इसको. Twilight Twilight Symphony. It's at Rice University. It's called Sunset at Sky Space.
Oh, nice.
Next is you can explore the museum district on free Thursdays. I'm not sure अभी free Thursdays चालू हुआ है नहीं हुआ, but I'm pretty sure जल्दी हो जाएगा. Anybody knows what free Thursdays is?
Free Thursday?
Yes.
Free.
Free.
E-free.
Free Thursdays को होता है वहाँ पे free museum day.
Oh wow. Very cool.
Oh, my kind of holiday. I love museums, art, all of that.
Yeah, so every Thursday, especially museums offer free admission at different times of the day. The Museum of Fine Arts, Buffalo Soldiers National Museum, Children's Museum of Houston are some of the locations that participate in this program.
Wonderful.
So once everything opens with social distancing, guys, something to do with your kids.
Okay.
This is mine.
Your kids, Deep, when did you have kids? तू
I know,
शादी तो
right?
कर ले.
तुम क्या मैक्सिको जाके आया था?
What?
No.
पापा.
क्या तुम मेरे पापा हो?
पापी चुलो.
Yeah, those types.
So ये वाला, I think that this me and Deep will probably like it. I don't know about you, Anshika.
What,
This is
Papa?
no. Papa नहीं. This is a tour of the beer can house.
No. Oh, that sound. I already like the sound of this.
Tour of the beer can house.
Beer can house,
Yeah.
yeah.
So beer can house shines brightly in the summer sun because it's made up of beer cans.
Yes, of course.
Where is that?
This was created by John Milkovich, who covered his entire house in estimated 50,000 beer cans in an 18-year period.
Wow.
It's a work of art. This is actually इसका street का नाम है. It's called Beer Can House, 222 Malone Street, Houston, Texas, USA. It's the house is open on Saturday and Sunday, and the admission is only $5 per person.
Oh.
So he made his entire house with 50,000 beer cans. Something to go visit.
That's cool.
This one मेरे को बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है because जैसे ही restriction lift हुई आधा ह्यूस्टन पागल हो गया और आधा ह्यूस्टन यहाँ पहुँच गया.
Jim? Oh,
नहीं.
beaches?
Galveston.
Galveston.
They're already there.
Yeah.
So having a beach there on Galveston Island, if you're itching to get out, especially after restrictions were lifted, half of the Houston actually ran and went to Galveston, which is of course a short drive away from where we are. Of course, Galveston is known for its I'm not going to say one of the best beaches, but it's of course known for fresh ocean breeze and seafood.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, that's for sure.
So and a lot of people, they in summertimes they go for Galveston's Pleasure Pier. They have the Railroad Museum, Bryan Museum, and the Strand. So a lot of people go and do that. Some people even book hotel nights and they spend the night at the beautiful Hotel Galvez over there, which is also rumored to be haunted. तो अगर आप गए हो आपको haunted. भूत कोई दिखा है मिला तो हमें बताइएगा जरूर. I'm gonna wrap it up really quick. Next is Kemah Broadwalk. We all know about it.
Is it open?
Summers में I'm pretty sure खुलने वाला होगा. It should be open, right? They have rides, restaurants, shops, events. Every Thursday of summer, bands will take the stage beginning at 7 p.m. So every Thursday they play bands over there. Summertime में होगा. Sunday nights are salsa nights over there. So guys, I'm pretty sure it's going to open very fast. These are public places. And park वगैरह I don't know अभी तक खुले नहीं खुले, but I'm pretty sure next phase में ये होगा.
Water park नहीं खुला, but बाकी सब खुला है.
Ride a bike around Herman Park.
Yeah.
You can do that.
Yeah.
You can go to Bayou Bend. That's another one. Jogging around Memorial Park. मेरे पास तो Memorial Park बाजू में नहीं है, but I do that around my thing. Then you can camp at neighborhood. You can even camp at Sam Houston National Forest. It's a forest. The forest has about 163,000 acres of land stretched between 3 counties. It's 50 miles from Houston. It's in New Waverly. Shop at Farmers Market. Abhi mat jayega. Dheere dheere khulegi. You can do online shopping at Farmers Market. Actually, that's something you can do.
Online. Okay. Very cool.
These are some of the things that you can do.
Awesome.
और एटलीस्ट फॉर राइट नाउ अगर और कहीं नहीं जाना है तो बाहर निकलिए, रेस्टोरेंट में जाके खाइए. Right?
So many.
Safe.
So many.
There's Narins, Nirmans,
Alings, Nirmans,
Maharaja Bhog.
Maharaja Bhog.
I'm craving for this Maharaja Bhog thali. You know, like craving. You have no idea.
So these are some of the things you can do around in Houston. Some of them you can already do, and some of them you'll have to wait until things get a little bit better. But I'm sure and steady. I'm pretty sure hoga.
I think positive. We all are moving towards. We are moving forward with this COVID-19. The reason today that we are here is because we felt safer to come back to the studio.
Yeah.
And of course. We are moving forward, but that the feeling of fear has been replaced by the feeling of being safe. Like safety. Like you have to take all the possible precautions, and you have to be safe out there. अगर आप ऐसी नई प्रिकॉशन ले रहे हैं तो भाई आप खुद भी आपको होगा, आप दूसरों को भी फैलाओगे ये बीमारी. लेकिन just stay safe. हीरो मत बनिए.
Speaking of hero, since our hero did his come up section this segment, I thought why not do his
song. क्या बात है.
What's the dialogue, Sushil, on this one? Remember the promo?
सबको आती नहीं, मेरी जाती नहीं.
But actually when I met him, he said that dialogue to me and I was like, oh my god, that's so cheesy.
You said this.
I mean, he didn't say it to me, but उसका मतलब वो होता था कि like
वो क्या?
Like बोला था उसने एक दो बार ये.
हाँ.
Oh no, are you sure you didn't say?
Whistle बजा. That's right. आप हमें सुन रहे हैं नमस्ते रेडियो पे.
परेशान है बेबी, हमें आपकी जान है बेबी, आज है मौका पकड़ ले कस के, तो तेरा नुकसान है बेबी, अरे मेरी क्लास में आजा, सीख ले प्यार की ABCD, 100 में से 100 ले ले, बस होठ मिला के बजा दे सीटी. दिल मेरा तू ही रख ले सोनिए, रहना मोटियां तू बच के, जेड़ तेरे पीछे पड़ गए ने. मैंने हाथ नहीं आना, मैंने बस तेरा बन जाना, नहीं मिलना मुझे गूगल करके तेरे वर्गा दीवाना. और जो कुछ करने की, थोड़ी आगे बढ़ने की, पास में आ जरा होठ मिला और मेरे नाल तू विसल बजा.
Namaste Radio on 1050 AM.